Hey guys, welcome back. It's your Chef Martin Reyes once again. Today we are making a shrimp Alfredo with zucchini noodles. And let's get into it. So you guys, we have some bell peppers cut, we got some orange, some red, and we got some baby portobello mushrooms. And we got our zucchinis cut already, prepped for the machine that's sitting right in back of me. Those are going to be for our noodles. There we go. There we go. Just want to chop those up. Let me wash up and we'll get started on our zucchini noodles, guys. Alright, I'm just going to adjust my machine real quick. And we'll get started chopping them down. I got a clean plate here. There we go. There we go. Okay. So I'm just going to put this in my machine real quick. And there we go. And there we go. Alright, takes a little bit of finesse. And there we go. Alright you guys, I'm just going to finish my last three and I'll see you guys back in a bit for the shrimp. See you then. Good. Alright guys, welcome back. Our shrimp is just about cooked. We added some minced garlic with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. As these cook, I'm going to be putting in a little bit of black pepper. Just to give it a little bit of flavor, real quick. Some pink Himalayan salt. It's gonna come out real nice, guys. There we go. And a dash of lemon. There we go. Gonna help it. And we're gonna give it a little quick turn. Make sure it's all marinated in its seasonings. And now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to put our shallots in. There we go. We're going to put our baby portobello mushrooms right on top of there. Just get those all out. And our red and our green I mean orange, Jesus. Oh gosh. Alrighty. So we're gonna switch this all around and let it marinate and cook. Look at that, guys, beautiful. There we go. Hey, welcome back, guys. We've been cooking this for a couple minutes now. We got our heat on medium high. And now we are getting ready to put in with our zucchini noodles some roasted garlic parmesan, which I'm going to put in right now to top her off. So join us back in a couple of minutes for our end result. Okay, guys? Alright guys, welcome back. This is what we have for you. Feast your eyes on this. So, if you guys liked and subscribed to my channel, smash that like button. If not, hit the dislike button as usual. And join me again next time.